Amsterdam ah. 1, 2, 3.
Amsterdam!
Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Kim from the Philippines and now I'm here in Amsterdam. So I have one night and one full day here in Amsterdam and I have them. It's their first time. It's my second time here. However, my first time here, it's been 3 years. So I wanted to go out and discover. And we're going to the red light district today. We're going to check the peep show. It's my first time. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And we're going to check also the canal since our first time. It's cold and it's very windy. Good thing it's not raining. And our hotel is near the airport. So we just took the shuttle from Radisson Blue Hotel. Going here, there's a free shuttle. One-way ticket going to the Amsterdam Centraal. We bought it here at Books and Travel. So it's just inside the airport. They have a one-day pass. However, that one-day pass is for €8. It's for bus, tram, and metro. But your transportation, train from the airport going to the Central is not included on that €8. So we just bought the €5.50 one-way train ticket. It's faster. Here at the airport, they have currency exchange and ATM that you can withdraw pounds, euro, and US dollars if you need money. Inside the airport, there's a lot of platforms, so make sure that you check on the screen before going inside the rail what will be your destination is and what platform you're going into. So now we're platform 1 to going to Amsterdam Central. Saying that you need to check in and out with every operator, but we did not check in, and now we're here in Amsterdam Central, our final destination. So let's see if we can go out without checking in. Oh, I passed through. Welcome to Amsterdam.
Hello! Hi! We're
Hello
in
from Amsterdam.
We're gonna have a photo session here.
Yeah, here, just right outside Amsterdam Central.
So this is just the beginning. Just the beginning.
What did you buy?
This is Stroopwafel.
Ah, okay.
But the pin,
Alright, because his collection is big. And you?
I bought a postcard.
And you?
I bought a lot of memories.
And you?
We are still deciding which one should
Oh my
we
gosh,
take.
you're taking 1 hour to decide. They said that if you're here, you should try this space cake. But we don't do drugs, so never mind. Cannabis tea, cannabis jelly beans, cannabis chewing gum, gummies, cannabis lollipop, cannabis budgie. I don't know what budgie is. Space cookies, Girl Scout cookies. Wow, space cake. If you want to go sightseeing or canal cruise, there's a lot of shops here where you can book it. You can just go here if you don't want to book it online. If you don't have any fixed time or date to do your canal cruise or your tours, you can just go directly here. We're going to have the best Holland Fries here.
Yes, on request. I want to have the best Holland Fries in Amsterdam.
So they're lining up for this prize, MannekenPis. Wow!
Francisco, Philippines.
Nabila from India.
Ramesh, India.
Nira from India. Latina, Philippines.
How's your first Holland Fries experience? Do you like it?
It's amazing. And these fries are very
Amazing. Do you agree?
Yes, it's really nice.
I agree.
We're buying.
The famous churros, this one.
Wow.
So
How
I'm gonna
much is
try
it?
This is for 5 pieces for €5. And you can put the Nutella topping on it or
Only
some
Nutella?
sugar. So you have sugar, Nutella or some cream, anything you want.
Okay.
So I'm gonna try it for the first time. Churros!
that you need to do here when you're in Amsterdam is take a photo of yourself or go to the small canals here in Amsterdam. Did you all know that Amsterdam has more canals than Venice and more bridges than Paris? Now we are on our way to the red light district. We're going to do the peep show. But we're not allowed to take a photo and a
Video.
yes, so we'll just give you our feedback later. How was it? If you should try it or not.
Yes.
If you should visit it or not.
You should try that for sure.
For
once
sure.
in a life, you know.
Yeah.
Once in a life.
Yeah, we're so excited. This will be our first time. So guys, red light district is very famous because of these red lights. There are also blue lights. It means there's transgender woman inside the room. Where are you? So guys, is this the best layover you had? This is the best layover. So now we're here at Casa, Rosso. We just did it. Actually, we were going to the peep show. However, we passed by this. You cannot take any video inside. So it's like for 1 full hour we were there.
Ask the guys who's
Oh, okay. What will you say to me? Thank
you.
Oh, you?
Thank
Oh,
you.
you're welcome. It's a lollipop.
Nice.
Yeah, it tastes good. What did they give you? Because they gave me lollipop. What did they give you?
Mint.
Mint.
Mints. Just to keep on.
People miss Doha. We're eating kebab. Here, going back to Amsterdam Schiphol. You can pay via card, coins, and the ticket will come out from here. It's because of Nabida. Nabida, if you're watching this, you're late. We're all there at the meeting time and you're not yet there, so we missed the bus for 5 minutes. So if you missed the bus and if you don't have any schedule of the shuttle bus, just outside there's like a big bulletin board with all the hotels and their shuttle time. Now we need to wait 40 minutes for the shuttle. We're back! Thank you so much!
Salamat po.
Have a good trip tomorrow.
Bye. Enjoy your Amsterdam once again.
Thank you.
My brother.
Tired people.
Tell him something. Give him a nice slap. You're not satisfied?
Bye-bye.
Bye guys. Bye-bye. Good night.
Okay guys, day 2 here in Amsterdam. My colleagues went back to work today and for me, such a blessing. Thank you, Lord. I have a day off here in Amsterdam, so I'm just inside my room here in Radisson Blu. And last night, I booked a ticket going to Van Gogh Museum. And you can only book tickets in Van Gogh Museum via online. So you can book it on their website. The website is now showing on the screen, or Get Your Guide and Klook app. If you're going to get this ticket with Get Your Guide and Klook, there's an option that you can buy it with 1 hour canal cruise. However, I decided not to get it, and you need to book a time slot, so you better not be late on your time slot that you've chosen, and you have 30 minutes grace period to get on that time slot to enter the museum. Now I'm going to the airport. This is the shuttle bus schedule from Radisson Blu Hotel to Schiphol Airport, and from airport going to the hotel. So this is very useful. It's a good thing also that I did not book the 1 hour canal cruise because it's raining. Look. This is where you buy your ticket going to Van Gogh Museum. My transport ticket is earned. Oh my gosh. It's my ticket for 650 just going to Van Gogh Museum. I was already inside the bus and I asked them if I can buy the ticket from there. No, you cannot buy. So they let me out. It hurts. Then I need to buy my ticket from the red van over there. So I have my ticket. Oh my gosh, it's raining. It's 6 degrees Celsius here. It's very cold. My gosh. Good thing I really kept myself warm because it's very, very, very cold. Uy, ayun. From Schiphol Airport going to Van Gogh Museum, you need to ride the bus 397. It goes every 7 minutes. And after that, you need to go down at Museum Lane. For me, it's like a 35-minute ride and I need to walk going to Van Gogh Museum. My schedule for Van Gogh Museum is 1:15 p.m. Good thing I bring my umbrella with me. Guys, we're now inside Van Gogh Museum. We were waiting for 10 minutes outside. They will not really let you in unless your timing is not cold. The ticket that I booked is 24 euro. That's already including the multimedia tour here in Van Gogh. Of course, I want to know more because I'm not really an artistic person. So I want to know more, of course, about the museum. That's why I booked the 24 euro tour. How many languages do you have?
So plenty. You can pick from here if you want to. And then there are several options you can do. So you can do explore on your own or do a highlight tour. And then this is for the exhibition wing.
But what do you recommend?
If you have enough time,
Yeah.
just do this one. Explore
Alright.
on your own. Press start, and then this is for the main collection. And then you dial to find the correct number. And then you press start.
Alright.
And
So the numbers I can see from there.
Exactly, in the collection. The numbers are random.
Alright,
So
perfect.
don't look for 1, 2, 3.
Alright, perfect. Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Finished the Van Gogh Museum. It's 4 p.m. I've been here once. It's a 3-story building and it's very good. Most especially, you need to have this multimedia tour so that you will know more about Van Gogh. It's a good activity. Most especially, it's raining here in Amsterdam. It's very nice. So you need to try it. And now I'm just going down to give this back and check where to go next. I'm thinking to go to Primark because of course you cannot go here in Europe without going to Primark. But I want to check where to eat first because I'm very hungry. Inside the museum, you are not allowed to take videos and photographs, most especially with flash. There's a lot of guests that's taking videos and photos, so I also did. If you have coats and big things with you but no luggages, they have a cloakroom here. And they also have a restaurant here. You can buy foods and drinks. So it looks like a buffet, but when you look at each item, there's a price tag. Let's take a look. Guys, I'm on my way to Central Station, and at each tram station there's like ticket, so you can just buy it from there. I just bought the single journey. Tram is there. We're here at All Star. So 3 years ago, this was the restaurant where I ate also. It's on the way to Primark, very near Amsterdam Centraal, and they have their promo. It's like 9.85, almost 10 euro. With a side dish, you can choose between rice, baked potatoes, or French fries, of course. French fries and extra barbecue sauce. Let's eat. Spent all of my time here at Primark tonight. I'm going back to the hotel the same path that I took yesterday. Thank you so much for joining me here in the activities that I did in Amsterdam. I hope you tune in for more videos. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell for notification. See you soon on my future vlogs.